Upbeat modern music starts and then fades to the background. All right, let's talk Bitcoin. And no, I'm not just going to tell you to buy the dip or scream to the moon. We're going deeper. You've heard the hype, you've seen the headlines, but how does this whole thing actually work? And more importantly, what's next for the king of crypto? Stick around for the next 5 minutes and you'll be the smartest person in your group chat, I promise. So first things first, how does Bitcoin trading even happen? Forget what you see in the movies. It's not some guy in a hoodie in a dark room frantically typing code. At its core, it's actually pretty simple based on supply and demand, just like stocks or gold. Think of it like a giant, global, digital flea market that never closes. You have buyers who want to buy Bitcoin, and you have sellers who want to sell it. They all meet on a platform called a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of places like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. When you decide to buy, you're essentially placing an order. You say, I want to buy 1 Bitcoin at this specific price. The exchange then looks for a seller who's willing to sell at that same price. When it finds a match, bam, the transaction happens. The seller gets your cash, and the Bitcoin gets transferred to your digital wallet. But here's the magic part. All these transactions aren't recorded in some private bank ledger. They're recorded on the blockchain, a public, decentralized, and unchangeable record book. Every 10 minutes or so, a new block of transactions is added to the chain, and it's verified by thousands of computers around the world. This is what makes it secure. No single person or company controls it. It's the people's money in a way. So when you trade, you're not just swapping numbers on a screen. You're participating in this massive, global, transparent system. It's a fundamental shift from how we've always handled money. Okay, so that's the basics of how it works now. But Bitcoin isn't some static, ancient technology. It's constantly evolving. And that brings us to the really exciting part. What's coming next? What are the upcoming updates that could change the game? Now, Bitcoin upgrades are a bit different from your iPhone getting a new iOS. They're slow, they're deliberate, and they require a massive consensus from the community. But there are some huge ideas being worked on right now. One of the biggest buzzwords you'll hear is Layer 2 solutions. The main criticism of Bitcoin has always been that it's slow and can be expensive for small transactions. You wouldn't buy a coffee with Bitcoin because the transaction fee might cost more than the coffee itself. Layer 2s, like the Lightning Network, aim to fix this. Imagine the main Bitcoin blockchain is a major highway. It's super secure, but it can get congested with traffic. The Lightning Network is like building a series of local side streets. You can make tons of fast, cheap, almost instant transactions on these side streets. Then, only when you're all done, you merge back onto the main highway and settle the final balance in one single efficient transaction on the main blockchain. This technology is already live and growing, and it could be the key to making Bitcoin a viable currency for everyday payments, not just a store of value like digital gold. Another major area of development is around something called Taproot. This was a significant upgrade that already happened, but its full potential is still being unlocked. Taproot makes transactions more private, more efficient, and, crucially, it opens the door for more complex smart contracts on the Bitcoin network. Think of smart contracts as self-executing agreements. While Ethereum is famous for this, Taproot is slowly and securely bringing more of that functionality to Bitcoin, making it more versatile than ever before. Developers are now exploring how to build more complex applications directly on top of the most secure blockchain in the world. And finally, there's a constant, ongoing effort to improve privacy and scalability. Developers are always proposing new ideas, new Bitcoin improvement proposals, or BIPs, to make the network better. The conversation never stops. It's a slow, steady march of innovation. So, what's the takeaway here? Bitcoin is not just a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a groundbreaking technology with a fascinating present and an even more exciting future. From the simple mechanics of a global marketplace to the complex cutting-edge updates being built, it's an ecosystem that is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with money and technology. The next time you see that Bitcoin price ticker flash across your screen, remember the incredible network of people, code, and ideas working behind it. It's a revolution one block at a time. Music swells and then fades out,